Alright guys, so in today's video what we are going to be doing is putting a suede black headliner into the O2 WRX. So now this doesn't only have to be just for like WRXs or, you know, Subarus, whatever it might be. This could be literally for any car if you want to do your headliner. Basically we are going to do in my O2 Bug-Eye WRX wagon. So if you guys are interested and you guys have a Subaru and you guys have that nasty gray headliner, this is the video for you because I went ahead and put some nice black suede headliner in it. As you can see, I already did it, but I just forgot to film an intro. We went ahead and picked up some black suede headliner right at, or not even headliner, just literally black suede material from Walmart for like $6. Got some 3M adhesive spray, which was like, I think it was $9 or something like that, but I'll link it on Amazon down in the description below. Same thing with the fabric. I'll try and find like a Walmart link or something like that and throw it down there if you guys are interested. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna take down the headliner, which I already made a video about because I went and put the roof racks on. So if you guys are interested in how to take the headliner down, I'm gonna put the card up in this top right corner and you guys can watch the video. Super easy, it took me about like 15 minutes. So yeah, once you watch that video, you'll have the headliner down, and then next step you're gonna have is just having your material and the 3M. And basically we just did it in like 3 parts. So like 3 parts at a time, or 1 part at a time, but in 3 parts. The easiest way to do it so you're not messing it up and you just want to make sure you get all the air bubbles out, quote unquote. It's not like vinyl wrap or anything, but similar. Basically what we did was we just laid out the headliner and then we laid out the fabric on it, and we just made sure to trim it up. Basically, you know, it doesn't have to be exact, just enough. And then once you go ahead and trim it up, it's basically all about laying it on there with the 3M adhesive, and then also just snipping some of the corner pieces where you have to lay it over, basically like, I don't know, put it under the headliner, I guess you could say. You have to cut it in some spots in order to get it to adhere correctly, because if you just put a whole piece on there without cutting it, it won't like sit flush. There'll be some like tension essentially. You'll know what I mean. It's not too much of a big DIY. I think most of you guys will be able to do it. Doesn't really take much skill, but if you do have another person to help you guys out with it, definitely recommend doing it with 2 people, because with 1 person it is a little bit hard. So if you guys have a second person, definitely get their help. We're gonna go ahead and roll the clips of us doing it and basically what we did. I'm not gonna talk in any of it, but just watch and see what we do, and hopefully it's helpful. If you guys have any questions, don't be afraid to comment down below. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. You guys can hit me up on Instagram at BeersEJohn, or just comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe, because 90% of you guys watching this right now are not subscribed. So make sure to subscribe to your boy. Alright guys, so like I said before, or at least I think I said, if you guys didn't already see if you guys haven't already seen how to take off the headliner, I made a video about doing a roof rack install on this thing. Don't look at my shoes. Anyways, yo, Nike, sponsor me, because these things are bodied. Video, how to take the roof racks off, shows you guys how to take the headliner out of this thing. Really is not much of a process, like 15-minute process, and the headliner's out. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys what we did. You guys already know, you guys already saw what we did. We used 3M spray adhesive, and we adhesived the whole thing of this fabric liner. We literally got it from Walmart, so it was relatively cheap. I think it was like $6 for the actual fabric. The spray adhesive was more. The spray adhesive was literally more. It was like, I don't even know, $9 maybe. So in all, you're gonna be like $15 to do a headliner. Not bad, $15 DIY, pretty fire. I hope you guys enjoyed the step-by-step of how we did it. I'm gonna show you guys now what the headliner looks like, and if you guys want to do this to your WRX or like Bug-Eye, whatever it is, really any car, I would definitely suggest it, because check it out, it looks sick. If you come in here, you can see our beautiful headliner, nice and black suede, super dope. Way cleaner looking than the original gray. Definitely makes the car look a lot better and cleaner. So I'm really happy with how this interior is coming together. And today we are going to be doing a shift boot install on the WRX. We're going to be doing a Crown Royal DIY shift boot install. So I hope you guys enjoy that video. That's coming out next. And yeah, let's roll the B-roll clips of this headliner. This is what you guys could have for $15. anyone wants a TBW skid plate for a 02 to 07 WRX, hit me up because I'm selling this thing. I don't need it. Pretty sick skid plate. They were like $300 new. So yeah, slide in the DMs at BRZ John.